Hello and welcome to ePrime this evening. I am Daedrian. Sean Paul to join Gwen Stefani as her season 22 celebrity advisor. Gwen Stefani yesterday made the announcement during her exclusive interview with ET.
Gwen, how exciting is this? We got Sean Paul as your mentor this season.
Mind blown, mind blown.
She said, and I said, Gwen.
Guys, this is a lot of work, The Voice, okay? Like, we're actually coaching people, yeah.
Right. It's draining for me to, trying to tell people, I feel like I might be crushing their aspirations.
Jimmy Kimmel Live and dropped the video, which got much attention as Gwen was fully immersed in the Jamaican. Now, Gwen is not new to Jamaicans as she has worked with Bone Tequila on Hey Baby and even released a dancehall-inspired 2001 album Rocksteady with group No Doubt. Still on the Grammy-winning dancehall artist, Sean Paul is on his Scorcher World Tour. The Dirty Rock artist has been sharing videos and photos with his fans on social media. Now, he performed in France for the first time in over 4 years to kick off the tour, then scorched his way through Europe. Sean performed in Canada over the weekend and heads to the UK this weekend.
Give you good loving and there ain't no bluffing. Time for action, done the talking. Wind up. This is my ambition to give it the
Jimmy Cliff over the weekend released Refugees, his first album in over 10 years. The 13-track album sees collabs with his daughter, Lottie Cliff on racism, Dwight Richards on We Want Justice, and international superstar Wyclef Jean for the track Refugees.
seeking to be free.
The Grammy-winning reggae royalty took the message of unity, peace, and justice throughout Refugees. Now, where are all the Hunger Games fans? Well, get ready as Viola Davis has been cast as the villain in the Hunger Games prequel, The Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. The announcement was made via the film's official Instagram page, and the Oscar winner was cast as Dr. Volumina Gaul, the head game maker in the 10th Hunger Games annual series. Now, the Hunger Games prequel is scheduled to hit theaters this November. I'm Daedrian reporting for ePrime. Thank you for watching.